I got a cat! A cat woman! Thor is not allowed to eat unhealthy food. Mashed potatoes and cucumbers on his plate. That's so sad. What if he uses his super strength and calls his hammer? His loyal friend won't let him down. It brings him a cupcake. Coat a cupcake with whipped cream. Color a marshmallow with silver food coloring spray. Wrap a thin strip of white fondant around a pretzel stick. Rub in silver edible pearl dust. Put the pretzel stick into the marshmallow. Make it look like Thor's hammer. Put the hammer on top of the cupcake. A sweet cupcake with my hammer. Let's see what this baby is capable of. The cupcake is very delicious and the hammer is very powerful. Whoa! Oh yeah, I'm almighty. But my girlfriend isn't happy about any of this. Hey, Thor, are you breaking furniture again? Well, then I'll call my magic hammer. It's time for Thor to fix the table. Wonder Woman is on her lunch break with a cup of joe and a Wonder Donut. Make a thin roll from yellow fondant. Twist it up. Roll out the remaining fondant into a thin layer and cut out a Wonder Woman logo along the template. Score the logo with a modeling tool and define the details with a food marker. Add blue food coloring and some cream to melted white glaze. Stir it well. Coat half of a donut with blue glaze. Decorate with white star-shaped sprinkles on top. Coat the other half of the donut with red glaze. Put the fondant twist in the middle and add the Wonder Woman logo. Delicious! I deserve some fast carbs. Easier on the sweets, Wonder Woman. What do they say about donuts? The taste is good for 5 minutes, but the extra wait is forever. Did you see that? What was it? A UFO? A mini meteorite? Let's see! Wow! This is a surprise from Batman! These are his tasty batarangs! Print out Batman-style bats on paper. Clip the template to a sheet of parchment paper. Melt white chocolate glaze. And add gray food coloring to it. Fill the bat shape with colored glaze. Coat both sides of the hardened pieces with silver edible pearl dust. Let's try these chocolate batarangs! So yummy! And so unexpected! Christy turned into Catwoman! I want this super effect too! How many of them do I need to eat? Bye, Sean! Come on, transform me! No? Hey, Cat, this is my motorcycle! This is the best burger place in the city! I want the biggest, greatest, most delicious burger ever! I can already imagine the way the meat is gonna flirt with my tongue. I'm drooling! But Deadpool is up to something else today. Eating such a huge burger isn't good for you, gorgeous! I'll save you from the extra calories. The plan is simple. First off, take down the waiter. Sorry, bud. Take a little nap. Next, cook Deadpool's signature sweet burger. Cover strawberry jello mix with boiling water. We need half as much water as the package says. Add white glaze. We need 1/3. Stir it well. And pour the mass into 2 bowls. Let it harden. Mix cereal balls with black glaze and put into a round mold. Flatten marshmallows and cut out a triangle. Assemble the burger. Your burger is ready, miss! Amazing! It doesn't look like the photo at all, but that won't stop me. Hey, why does it taste sweet? Jell-O? Where's my meat and ketchup? Haha! Greetings from Deadpool, baby! Whoops! Don't mess with a burger fan, Deadpookie! I need something refreshing to perk me up. I'll look in the fridge. What's that? Super Coke? I'll try it. Pour Sprite into an empty glass Coke bottle. Add blue food coloring. Glue a printed Superman logo to red foam paper. Cut off the excess. Fold red felt in half. Draw a cape and cut it out. Glue the logo and the cape to the bottle. Wrap a strip of felt around the neck. Stick in a straw. Whoa! Super Coke turned me into Superman! I'm ready to start the day! Let's fly! Spider-Man got tired. He needs to recharge. Here, take your spider Oreos. It'll help. Cover printed templates of spiders with parchment paper. Fasten it with paper clips. Trace the spiders with melted chocolate. Let them harden. Melt white chocolate glaze. Add red food coloring to it. Put an Oreo onto a skewer. And dip it into the red glaze. Attach the chocolate spider to the hardened glaze using melted chocolate. My favorite cookies! Lucky me! Let's test their superpower! Wow! I get better with every Oreo! Oh yeah! This spider Oreo is unbelievably delicious! I feel a boost of energy! Go, Spidey! Save the city! You can't stop me! We came to visit Green Lantern, but the only thing he can give his guests is bread. And that's it? A little bit of bread? Well, that's a pathetic treat. Don't jump to conclusions, girls. You haven't had the main treat yet. Green Lantern Nutella. Add 3½ ounces of cream to 10 ounces of melted green chocolate glaze. Stir it well and pour it into a Nutella jar. Bend a hot glue stick into an arch. Cut off the excess and glue the arch to the cap of the jar. Coat the whole cap with black acrylic paint. Attach a Green Lantern logo to the jar. My power ring will help make a treat quickly. Have some sandwiches with green Nutella. In brightest day, in blackest night, this green Nutella is pure delight. And even our drinks turned green. So yummy! Gosh, look at this mess. There's trash lying everywhere, so I can lie down too. Fine, I'll have to clean after all. Well, let's begin. It takes so long. Right until I find flash chips. Mix 4½ ounces of corn flour with 2 3/4 ounces of wheat flour. half a teaspoon of salt and sugar. Add a mix of spices, black pepper, curry, and paprika. Mix the dry ingredients. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and gradually pour in 4 1/4 ounces of warm milk. Stirring the mixture. Make dough. Roll it out into a thin layer. Cut lightning bolts from the dough along a template. Bake the chips in an oven for 6 minutes at 355 degrees. Add tomato sauce on top of the lightning bolts. Whoa, what a quick effect! My inner Flash woke up, and now I'll clean the room in just a few minutes. I'm a cleaning genius! Phew! This is how real superheroes clean a room! Did you like our superhero food ideas? Then comment below what you'll make for dinner. A Deadpool burger, a Thor cupcake, Superman Coke, or a Wonder Woman donut? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new superhero recipes from Troom.